you doing, children? Last class, what we have done?
Sir, last time we have done the
So
doubt.
we finished number system.
Sir, we have done the doubt.
Acha, we have finished number system. Okay.
So we have to do quadrilaterals.
Quadrilaterals, where first term got over completely. Nihar,
Yes, sir. Now we will do
Yes, sir.
quadrilateral only, sir.
Nihar, how was your paper?
Sir, it was okay, sir. Paper 1 was good, but then paper 2 was very hard.
Paper 2 consists of what?
Sir, same thing only, sir. Physics, chemistry, bio.
Physics,
Sir,
chemistry.
especially physics, sir, in that was like heck hard.
How was your maths?
So maths was okay only, sir. Paper 1 it was good. Paper 2 it was okay.
Acha, what we have learned, anything worked out over there?
So kind of, sir, but then yeah, the questions were a little bit different.
Acha, okay. Means it's a kind of tougher or what? Easier only?
So tougher, sir.
Tougher than what we have done here.
Yes, sir, tougher.
Few questions, right? Not all.
Sir, 80% I found were tougher, but then yeah, 20% were like we are done them.
Okay. So you're having all those questions with you now? Or
No, sir, I couldn't. No, sir, I don't have any of the questions.
Acha. No, you have taken a screenshot or something like that, which you
No,
are.
sir, like the whole thing was proctored, so I couldn't do anything.
Acha. Okay, okay, Nihar, this one will quadrilaters we do later on only because term was not finished yet. We are having only 2 or 3 chapters, I believe, after
Sir, we
the
have finished, sir. We will do quadrilateral only, sir. Now one is finished, sir.
term is finished. I know that. Acha, Nihar is done with the questions, right? Nihar, Fitzi.
Yes, sir.
That's why you want quadrilaterals. Correct? No.
Yes, sir. So paper is over, sir. Now you can't give paper.
So, okay, from next class we'll start quadrilaterals. Today we'll do something which we have done earlier. Hania,
Yes, sir.
you have done anything? Homework or any doubt is there with you?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, did you give homework last class?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. I have shared
Yes,
you on WhatsApp, sir.
What, Priyanshu, what you are saying?
Sir, I have sent you one, sir. I have a doubt, sir. In
Acha,
personal.
Yes. You are having doubts, I know. You sent on that day, no? Priyanshu?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. 1 minute. Which question, which chapter we can do today? Let me check once. In the next test, we will start. How many chapters are pending, Nihar? Quadrilaterals, then which chapter?
So quadrilaterals, constructions, and circles.
Acha, 3 chapters.
Sir, yes, sir. That much. Yes.
Quadrilaterals, circles, and constructions.
Sir, and surface area and volume.
Surface area we have done before only.
Okay.
1 minute. Let me check once. Something is pending or not. Coordinate we have done, no? Lines and angles, we have done all the questions of lines and angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Then triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, this we have not done, I think. Triangles, quadrilaterals, area of triangles, right?
So that is also done. Sir. Triangles also we were done with triangles.
Surface area and volumes. You have done that. You have not the questions. You have not done, no? Okay, today is the volume. I just let me check once. Surface area. And
Sir, we
volume.
won't be able to complete surface area and volumes.
This area radius circles you are saying.
No, sir, like we wouldn't be able to complete the surface area and volumes. That's what I'm saying.
But we have done so many questions, right?
No, sir, like for IMO, we have done only 5 to 6.
5 to 6 we have done.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember exactly? Only we have 6 we have done. Yes, correct. So shall we do 10 more questions, 10, 20 more questions based on that? It's not more actually. Let me check how many questions are there. Yeah, it's around 40 questions, 30 to 40 questions. We'll get finished. Anyway, it will be last date only to finish this one. After this, we'll do quadrilaterals, only quadrilaterals, then your circles and construction. Okay. I'm giving one question to you right now on the screen. We can just see once. Nihar is full mood today. Night Nihar, quadrilateral part only, right? Exam got over, patapat will get finished. Then we'll go to class 10th part will start, right, Nihar?
Sir, not like that.
Yeah, that you can do, no. Right. But if you're writing an exam, no, we have to finish that before only. Class 10th also we should do something and all. Then that will be better. If you're 9th, you're writing some exam, class 10th also you do and go. That is better. Okay, see the question
Sir,
of
for physics, sir, for physics, they asked 11th grade questions, sir.
11th grade.
Yes, sir.
See, actually 9th is related to 11th only. 9th
Yes,
and
sir.
9th and 11th both are same.
Yes, sir.
See, children, I'm going to remove few who are not able to on the camera. Vivek, Ritvik, Sai Ritvik, and right now you don't on the. I'll not next time. Will not ask you to on the camera and all. Shriyanvi. Can you hear me, Shriyanvi? See, the question is the radius and height of a right circular cone are in ratio 3:4. Find if this volume is 96 pi centimeter cube, what is its slant height? What is its slant height? Sai Charan. What is the answer for this? Tell me, Sai Charan.
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, could you tell volume of right circular cone?
Volume of cone only, right circular cone, anything is same, only 1/3 pi r square h. This is the volume of circular cone, right circular cone. And your CSA also I mentioned here, you can just remember that. CSA is pi r L and TSA is pi r L plus pi r square. So pi r we can take common, L plus r. Okay. Tell fast. Pulastya, can you hear me properly now?
Yes, I'm doing the question.
Okay. Anyone who is not getting Shriyanvi, what we should do over here?
Sir, I'm not getting.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Shriyan,
Sir,
Ah,
I don't understand it, sir.
you have done, Shriyanvi.
I still can't remember it, sir.
Acha. See, radius is we have to ratio and this thing.
Yes,
Ratio.
sir. Sir, I'm doing it, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, first we can find the radius and the height, and then we can find the slant height with the Pythagoras theorem.
See, radius is 3x and height is 4x over here. So if its volume is 96 pi centimeter cube. So volume is 96 pi centimeter cube. So volume is nothing but 1/3 pi r square h is equals to 96 pi. Now pi and pi will get cancelled. R place you can write here 3x whole square into 4x is equals to 96 into 3. So 3x whole square, that is 9x square, into 4x is equals to 96 into 3. So x to the power 3 is equals to 96 into 3 divided by 9 into 4. This is clear to everyone. Now you can cancel 3 3s are 9 and 32. Now 4 8s are 32. 3 3 get cancelled. So x is equals to what do you get? 2. Is it clear to everyone? X is equals to 2.
Yes.
So what is your slant height? Slant height is L. So L is equal to root over h square plus r square. So 3x, that is 3 into 2,
Sir,
that is 6.
slant height is 10. 6,
Yeah,
8.
1 minute children, 1 minute. So you see here 4x is equals to 4 into 2, that is 8. बैठिए मैम. गई है वॉक करने, नीचे ही गई है. जीरा होगा शायद.
What, sir?
वो तोड़ के लाए. बाहर से गए थे कहीं बाहर. 1 minute children, 1 wait for 1 minute. Now we can write. मैम बैठिए. मैम बैठिए बैठिए आप भी बैठिए.
Sir, I'm offering my camera for a minute.
Okay, all right. So this is your R and this is your H. Okay. So put here 8 square plus 6 square. So you'll get 64 plus 36. That is root over 100 and you'll get the answer as 10. It's clear to everyone. This is 10 centimeter. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for this next question. Just writing down right now. Wait for 1 minute. Next question is like this. All of you solve. The second question is so read this question, all of you.
Sir, can you hear? Sir, can you hear us? Hello, sir.
Have anyone got the answer, children? Hania, Vivek, Nihar.
Sir, I got, sir. 9, sir.
9 is the answer for this.
Got D.
Anyone who is not getting the answer?
I also got D, sir.
Okay, everyone got the answer, right? Okay, fine. Next question.
Sir, I didn't get it.
You didn't got.
No, sir, I didn't get it.
Sir, me too.
All right. Wait for 1 minute. I'll just solve over here itself. एक मिनट मैम इसको solve करके बस. So see, the question is like a cylindrical tub of radius 12 centimeter contains water up to a depth of cylindrical tub. Do you know the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. Spherical iron ball. That volume is what? 4/3 pi r cube, right? So cylindrical tube is here, and one is your spherical ball. So radius of this is 12 centimeter. Depth, that is height, is equals to 20 centimeter. And spherical iron ball, that is your raised. If you're putting this one inside this, so this water level rise up to 6.7 centimeter, 6.75 centimeter. Water is raised. Before water was this much, and now water become this hill here, right? So height of this level 6.75 centimeter. This volume is nothing but volume of sphere, right? Nihar, you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
The raised water part.
Repeat, sir.
The raised water part is nothing but the sphere, the volume of the sphere. Okay. Can you
Okay.
find? Now what they're asking here, the radius of the ball is. It's very easy now, right? So volume of a sphere, you can do volume of a sphere is equals to what? Volume of cylinder of height, how much? 6.75 centimeter. Is clear what I'm saying here? Is it clear? So volume of sphere is 4/3
Yes.
pi r cube. R1 you let, and here volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The R2 you let here. So radius. Now pi will get cancelled from both the sides. So 4/3 into R1 to the power 3 is equals to R2. What is the radius over here? 6. So 6 into 6 into height, you should take 6.75. Now you try to solve. R1 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6.75 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. Just try once, what you get, then remove cube root you find. Are you getting the same answer? Just check once.
Yes, so one.
Sir, answer is coming something like 5.3.
Sir, I think the answer is not coming, sir. 9. Sir, can you hear us? Sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Answer is not coming.
I can hear you.
Sir, answer
Yes,
is not coming.
I can hear you. Yes.
Sir, answer is
Sir, here you did wrong, sir.
coming.
Where I've done wrong?
Sir, it is 12 into 12, sir. You wrote 6 into 6.
Radius is 12 into. Acha, radius is going to. Yeah, correct,
the
correct.
radius is
Yeah.
12 only, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
12 into 12, sir, then you will get answer.
Yeah, correct. So 12 into 12, and here also you should write 12 into 12, right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 3s are 12 we should do. You can cancel it here one. Then you can just find what if you remove this one, you can remove and you can write multiply by 100 down,
that's
correct?
Yes, sir. Answer is 9.
Now we'll get 9. Okay. So here only one thing we should remove, know that the volume of a sphere is the volume of cylinder only, and cylinder is height should be 6.75 centimeter. Okay. Is it clear? Anyone having doubts still? And
No,
here, Priyansu and Sai Charan. Sai Charan, this is the last warning for you. Okay. If your camera is not working, you just write, tell me just your camera is not working at all. Okay, next question, all of you do, children. Question number 9. A solid piece of iron, 49, 33, 24, is molded into a sphere. So the radius of the sphere is equals to what? The radius of the sphere is equals to question mark. See, iron piece, a piece of iron, dimension is given over here. What is the dimension? Which dimension is this? All I said, a solid piece of iron, dimension is given LBH, right? What is this, children?
Yes, sir. So length, breadth, and height.
If 3 things are given, then you should write here LBH only. It's not cylinder or something like that. It's like a rectangular. Rectangular means cuboidal shape. So this is going to mold in a sphere form. It means that both the volume of a sphere as well as your cuboidal thing will be same, right? So volume of, what you should write here? Volume of what? Cuboidal. Volume of cuboidal iron is
Surface
equals
area
to,
should be same, right?
what?
Nothing, sir.
And
Also, sir, if we take a square and
Sir,
mold it
the
into
answer
a
is
circle,
21.
then the perimeter will remain the same, right, of the square and circle?
why perimeter is required here?
No, sir, I'm just asking in general.
What?
Like suppose we have a square and then it's molded into a circle, then the perimeter will be same of the circle, right? Perimeter of square will be equal to perimeter of circle.
Is it so? I don't think that perimeter will remain the same.
Sir, ideally it should remain the same because area can't be the same.
Area can't be same. Area will be same only now. It's the same thing.
How
you're-
will area be same, sir? Like,
Not area, volume. Volume will be same, right?
No, sir, I'm talking about square and circle.
Acha, square and circle. Acha, then its area will be same.
No, sir, then its perimeter will be same, right?
Yeah,
How can-
correct. Perimeter will be same, correct.
Yes.
You are talking about 2D. This we are talking about 3D right now.
No, yes, sir, I was just asking in general.
Acha, that's fine. Yeah. So here volume of cuboid is LBH is equals to volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here if we can find it easily, right? So 49 into 33 into 24 is equals to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r to the power 3. So r to the power 3 is equals to 49 into 33 into 24 divided by 4 into 22 and multiply by 3 into 7. Okay. So here what we can do, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33.
Sir,
And
it's 9 to 6 1.
What? What you're saying?
9 to 6 1, sir.
9 to 6 1. Don't do in that way. What you try to do, no, don't multiply anything, children. That become more complicated. What you do, try to make it in easy way. See 49, what we can write? 7 into 7. Again, 3 we can write as it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. See, this all pair are coming now. So do if you multiply, you're making it complicated. So answer is what? 21 centimeter. Is it clear? So try to understand how to make it easier. Okay, Sai Charan, Vivek, Hania.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Just my relatives connection.
Light is coming. Vivek,
No, sir. Some relatives came. Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
disturbing. Just a
Hania, did you got the you are getting the answers or not?
Yes, I'm getting.
Don't hesitate to ask the questions if you are having doubt anywhere. Sriyanvi, anywhere doubt?
No,
and,
that's
and don't multiply this one multiplication, or don't multiply anywhere. Okay, don't multiply the things. Here you can write 3 7s are 21. So the answer is what? 21 over here. All right. So if you are anyone having doubt, just you can let me ask. You can ask just now. We'll move to the next question then. Next question is question number 10th. How many spherical bullets? See, how many spherical bullets can be made out of cube whose edge measures 22 centimeter, each bullet being 2 centimeter in diameter. How many spherical bullets can be made out of a cube of lead whose edge measures 22 centimeter, each bullet being 2 centimeter in diameter? How many spherical bullets can be made out of a cube of lead?
So we would use volume in this case, right?
What we are doing here?
So we would use volume, right?
Yeah, spherical. How many bullets is volume only? Yes.
So because we need the volume to make a bullet.
See how many spherical bullets. Spherical bullets is nothing but like your sphere kind of thing. Can be made out of a cube. One cube will be there. Okay. Cube
Yes.
is like all the sides are equal. Whose edge measures 22 centimeter. This edge is 22 centimeter. Children, just think that this cube is made up of mud. Okay. And mud you are going to use to make small bullet, like spherical shape bullets. So how many bullets you can just make by the help of this cube over here? Okay, so suppose you are having x bullets you can make x spherical bullets, x spherical bullets, right? So x into volume of each sphere is equals to volume of what? Cube. Is it clear, Nihar? Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone what I've written? Hania, Shriyanvi, on the camera, Priyanshu.
Yeah. Sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just letting here that there are X bullets we are having here. And suppose this is made up of mud. Okay. So how we are going to make the small spherical balls of the edge of the 2 centimeter diameter? Actually, we are making this is 2 centimeter in diameter, 2 centimeter, right? This is diameter, this is not radius, this is diameter. The radius is equals to what? 1 centimeter only. So we are making a spherical bullets of radius 1 centimeter by the help of this cube, which is 22 centimeter in size. Okay, okay, fine, Sai Charan. So what we can do now, we can do after this, children, all of you can do this now.
Yes, sir, we can try for once.
Tell me, Hania, what to write after this? Hania, tell me. Can you hear me?
So we can find, yes, sir.
What is the volume of each sphere?
A sphere is pi r square. Pi r square.
So volume of cube, that is your a to the power 3, right? Now x we have to
Yes, sir.
find. So x is equals to a to the power 3 into 3 divided by 4 pi r to the power 3. Is it clear? Now put the value now. Or better what you do, don't write this one right now. Simply you put the values first. You can write x multiply by 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius we know that is 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to a to the power 3. That is 22 into 22 into 22. Okay. So here we are writing volume of the cube is a to the power 3. Now you can solve easily, children, here. Now 22 and 22 will get cancelled. So x is equals to what you can write? 22 into 22 multiply by 3 into 7 divide by 4. Is it clear? So 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, and 2 11s are. So 11 11s are 121, 121 into 21. Just find what is the answer coming, Sai Charan?
Sir, it's 254.
2541, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's 2541 only.
Acha. So anyone having doubt? Priyanshu, you are having doubt. Pulastya?
No, sir. Sir, are we going to play quiz today?
Not having.
Quiz. On which topic you want, Nihar?
No, sir. Sir, I was just asking, are we going to play quiz today?
Yeah, we can play. Not a problem. Shall we start now only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on which topic you want? Based on this one topic only you want to do? Surface area and volumes?
Issue. Sir, sorry for me.
Because if your concept is clear, then only we can do that, right?
No, sir, we will not do surface area.
Hmm? Then which chapter you want right now?
Sir, any chapter, sir, other than this.
Other than this, any chapter? Okay. 1 minute. So I do one more. Here we have done 10, 11. One more question we do of. Okay, first, then we'll just do the next part. One more questions we do. That is your very easy question right now. Okay, you can do in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. You can solve this question. Just try this question now. 11th one. 11th question is. Yeah, just waiting for your answer, children. Too fast. Volume of two sphere is are in ratio 64:27. And ratio of their surface area is, they're asking a ratio of their surface area. Ratio of the surface area. So volume of two sphere, that is V1 by V2, you can write V1 by V2, that is given 64 divided by 27. So volume of two sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi. We don't know R1. R1 you write here to the power 3 divided by 4 by 3 pi R2 to the power 3 is equals to 64 by 27. So 4 by 3 will get cancelled. Pi also will get cancelled. So you get here R1 to the power 3 by R2 to the power 3 is equals to 64 by 27. They're asking ratio of their surface area. The surface area is what? Surface area of the first, surface area of the second is equals to, we should find. So what is the formula of surface area? 4 pi r1 square, 4 pi r2 square. Correct? So 4 pi will get cancelled. And we get here r1 by r2. What do we get? Cube root of 64 by 27. That is 4 by 3.
4:3.
Now you should put the value over here. 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 3. So the answer is 16 by 9. So answer is option D. Is it clear what we are doing over here? Pulastya, you got the answer before only?
Yes, sir.
So how much time this took? This took 2 minutes on solving completely over here. These questions they have not asked Nihar which all chapters. It's a whole book has come or few chapters in the test.
Sir,
FITZY
few
test.
chapters. Oh, sir, few chapters, sir.
Few only. It's not volume, surface and volumes were not there.
No, sir.
Acha, what you have read that much only, right?
Yes, sir, like that much only, but high level.
In physics, what they have asked in physics?
So physics 2 chapters only, sir, but almost all of them was related to 11th.
2 means your
Like
motion.
So trigonometry and all came. I had to use tan, theta, and all over there.
Tan theta they're asking.
Yes, sir. Like tan theta though was easy, but then others were tough.
Acha.
Tan theta though I knew, but then others were like
So you are having only this motion chapter you are having, right? Force
the
and
motion and force.
So means they have given numericals based on that, how they'll reach on time,
Yes, sir,
that equation of motion, right?
Yes, sir. Tensions and all, pulleys and all, tensions in 3 blocks of masses and all, everything, sir.
Police they asked.
Yes, sir. A pulleys question also was there.
Acha.
What will be the tension in the string of pulley, something like that. Yes.
Acha. So the police you might have not read, not seen also police, right?
No, sir, like I knew the thing, but then, yeah.
Tension force. Tension in the string is what? Centripetal force, centrifugal force. You know, centripetal, centrifugal.
Yes, sir, that I know, sir. Tension is mg.
Tension is mg. Okay.
Sir, we will do quiz on which chapter?
You should tell children. So many quizzes you have done. Which chapter you should do? You should tell me now. Hey, which tucker sound is coming from here? Priyansu, you are doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Which chapter? Tell me, children. Just majority, just see. Write in the chat box which chapter you want. Which chapter you are confident. Which chapter you are confident.
So lines and angles.
Okay, fine. Lines and angles.
Yes.
Lines and angles. Quizzes first, right? You can see what I'm quizzes over here. You can't see, no?
Sir, what?
What I'm writing here, lines and angles I'm searching, you can't see, no?
No, sir.
Lines and angles for class 9th. Share a link. See, you got the message.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you can join now. 4 people joined right now. Nihar, Priyanshu, Pulastya. Shriyanvi has joined now. Next. Priyanshu joined fast. Sai Ritvik. Hania. Hania, you are joining.
Sir, I've
Sir,
joined here.
it's not showing me anything, I guess. The network is very slow. It's just a blank page.
Acha, network is very slow. Still, how much time it will take?
Now it came.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm starting the thing. It's like bachcho sums are there.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay.
Answer. Sir, so can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank
So done with the quiz. Can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave now.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
So I'm done. So can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Pulastya, have you done? Why so many questions wrong you have
Sir,
done?
I'm done, sir.
Okay, you can leave.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Since I clicked the wrong thing.
What happened? Pulastya?
2 questions I missed.
Okay, fine. Okay, Pulastya, you can leave now.